तुमची मिटींग झाला मग तुमची मिटींग आशिल्ली आहे सीएमा बरोबर किती एक्झॅक्टली इशू आशिल्लो
सीएमा कडेन गेल्ले आनी ताका सांगलें की आमकां हे पॅन्डेमिकाक लागून खूब त्रास जाल्ले आसा. आमचे रेस्टॉरंट बंद जाल्ले आसा. आमचे लेबर आमचे कडेन आसा तांकां सॅलरी दिवंक जाय. आमचे लायटीचे बील फारीक करपाक जाय. रिन्युअल ऑफ लायसन्स करपाक जाय. सो आमी तेजे कडेन मातशें मदत मागलां की आमकां थोडें कन्सेशन दी. कशें कितें बस कायद्यान बसून आमकां हेल्प कर म्हणून सांगला ताका आमी.
नो पण कन्सेशन म्हणटा आसतना कितें मागता तुमी एक्झॅक्टली
So some relief we are asking him so that we can at least relieve the monetary burden which is on us. Like for example, moratorium on the loan which is already given for 3 months, we told him to extend it further. Beyond that, we also told him that the electricity bills what we are paying to give us some subsidy in electricity bills, some subsidy in excise licenses and fees what we are paying because we are not operating but we are paying fees for those months. So we asked him to give some reliefs in all that.
But is it only relief or also a package as far as money is concerned?
It's a relief. We are actually in form of subsidies and all that. And besides that, we asked him to try and talk to the center and see that we can open a bar and restaurant as soon as possible so that we could overcome all these difficulties of ours.
Amit, one more thing is that we would like to know is that एके सायडच्यान government liquor shops are तांकां allowed करता. Somewhere bars and all are not allowed. How do you see that? Oh, you all are also asking bar.
Somewhere the restaurant owners are feeling that it is arbitrary, but central government guidelines are to be followed by the state government also. So what we have requested him is to see that he speaks to the central government by 17th when the third lockdown is over. At least let the restaurants be open under strict guidelines framed by FDA as well as health department to see that there is social distancing and other norms which are followed. Also, if you see. Excise and other licenses have expired for many in the month of March. So we have asked him that you renew it for a further period of at least 1 or 2 years without charging fees. So he says he'll look into it and that is how he's going to work out some package which will help the small time, mid time and all the restaurant owners.
Yeah, thanks.
तुमचे नाव सांगतो.
Michael Carrasco, president of all Goa Bar and Restaurant Owners Association.
टेक अवे आसता पळय आतां पॅक बॉटल कशी तुमकां विकपाक मेळटा जाल्यार
But कशें retail sale of liquor is allowed with kind of a takeaway. So we have also asked for that restaurants be allowed to do takeaway at least for liquor or other things the way it is allowed for the wholesalers and retailers. Otherwise discrimination खंय तरी मागीर लोकांक दिसूंक आयल्या उपरांत प्रॉब्लेम असो जाता की जो मिडल इनकम ग्रुप आसा आनी जो लो इनकम ग्रुप आसा who are into restaurant they also feel ki there is a differentiation being made for liquor owners and for restaurant owners, but certain things are not within the no, it is not allowed. Right now only food takeaways are allowed.
No, but it is a central government decision. This is what you
that
feel.
is the only reason we cannot force the local government to allow certain things, but of course we'll have to pursue it, and we have asked the CM to pursue it with the central government to allow Goa to being in a green zone to allow them to open up in certain form by 17th.
What is the total number of people who are registered as far as Bar and Restaurant Owners Association is concerned?
Association represents all the bar and restaurant owners of Goa.
We have over 11,300 approximately.
11,300. Yeah. So could you tell us what could be the loss as per each one or the total loss? Average loss.
That is very difficult to judge because everybody's expenditures are different. Like, there are some tabans, some bars and restaurants. So taking all those into consideration, it's very difficult to judge a figure.
But and what do you have to say? जेन्ना लॉकडाऊन आशिल्ले तरी पूण थोडे जाण सोरो पिवन रस्त्यार पडटाले.
तो क्वेश्चन तुम्ही विचारचो पडटलो रिटेलर्स, होलसेलर्स एंड एवरीबॉडी.
बारांचेर
हाय रेटान सुद्धा विकले गेले.
हय बारांचेर there were some bars who used to give it illegally.
Black sheep in every trade. Now as far as association is concerned, there were strict guidelines which were issued to all the restaurants that they are not allowed to operate in any manner. Now if somebody flouts it, there are authorities who could deal with it, and they have dealt with it in certain manner. Wholesalers, retailers and others also have been booked for offences. But by and large, so far if you see, all the association members have followed all the guidelines. आणि आयची जर परिस्थिती पळयत जाल्यार if by this particular memorandum is given, to let them function, because as you asked, it's been since March they are not operational. They have salaries to pay, rents to pay, they have taxes to pay. Nothing has stopped. Besides that, government has issued guidelines to pay full salaries. Now in a restaurant, from the chef to the service, there are so many implications of expenses which are there, which the restaurant owners have to take care of irrespective of whether they are operational or not. Also, the staff, once they leave today, to get back trained staff will be very difficult, and Goa being tourism centric industry and industry which is connected to hospitality, it will have wide repercussions for future.
Amit, but can you say, how can you look into this issue of is that pala samasa allowed social distancing, all these issues, बाराचे जावंक शकता कोण कॉप मारला गेलो
पळय कशें आसा, आज रिटेल जर आनी होलसेल जर शॉप ओपन आसा आनी थंयच्यान सोरो घेवन तो वॉट यू आर आस्किंग कॅन बी ट्रू विथ दॅम ऑल्सो न्ही. आतां एज अ रेस्टॉरंट, इफ इट्स अ 100-seater restaurant, you could reduce the seating to 50 by social distancing. Various measures can be taken, including measures to serve with heated plates, sanitization, with proper service conditions, and with proper staff to deal with people the way they are being dealt with as retailer and wholesalers also.
सीएमान किती म्हटलंय
CM said by 17 तारखेपर्यंत सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट गायडलायन्स पळोवया कशें कितें आसा तें. त्या प्रमाणे वील ऑल्सो लूक इन टू द मेमोरेंडम अँड टेक अप्रोप्रिएट स्टेप्स टू इन्फॉर्म द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट दॅट वी being tourism centric industry should take certain steps to improvise the situation in Goa.
टुरिस्ट ना
लोक आसा न्ही, people are still ordering from Swiggy and other places.
Thank you.